enough? Lights out and night on. Night out. Lights on. Lights on. Lights on, lights on, lights on, lights on, lights on. Is everything okay?
We heard the screams of the little girl.
Ain't I, monster? Oh, scared it off. Wow, that monster really did a number on you guys, huh?
Power went out. I'll check the grid in the morning.
No, you will check the grid immediately.
Bro, are you scared of the dark?
Of course not.
As your friends, we would understand.
Oh, I would. Yeah, only babies are scared of the dark.
I am not scared of the dark. I am scared of what I do. Right? It all started in a slumber party. Gathered all of my courage, I turned to the mirror and said the words, scary, 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 scary. I barely escaped Scary Terry. That's why I slept with a light.
That is an embarrassing story.
Yeah, you know Scary Terry isn't real, right?
Not real? The woman almost ate my soul. Why do people believe Raven's father is a demon?
Yeah, but he doesn't waste his time hanging out at little kids' sleepovers. Unless he's, super bored.
Maybe we can help you get over your stupid, shameful, and completely unjustified fear.
How?